Okay, let's talk about this double left turn. I'm looking for cars past the stop line, and I have my clients look toward that double yellow. You'll see it. Boom, got him. Okay, then let's accelerate through the turn. We're not hitting the throttle really fast. The speed limit here is 50, but because of heavy traffic, Black Friday, drivers ed instructors out, young drivers out, we're not going to be going at that speed. This truck in front of me with the big mirrors, I think it's the F-250, is kind of blocking my view. So I'm going to cruise about 43, which is fine. I'm not going to run the light. I'm just going to squeeze the brakes real easy. You'll learn that as you go along. That's one of the biggest things that I think make drivers extremely nervous and have anxiety. What do I do with this yellow light? When do I go through? When do I stop? If you can stop in 3 seconds, you should stop. If I was preparing you for your road test, we want to try to be consistent and not run the light, but you don't want to slam brakes. We're behind the stop line, so we don't have a deduction in points. I prepare you for the road test, and I'll go over some of those elements. I can't show you the test, but I can talk about it. I can talk about what's on it. I can answer your questions. It's 31 degrees outside. I look left and right, see that gray car run the light, that Chrysler 300, but their passenger side front fenders dented in, so that tells you something. It tells you they're not a good driver. You got a lot of young drivers out. Mom and dad give them their credit card or debit card. Hey, go get your mom something. Go get your dad something. Speed limit's at 50. I'm just taking my time. The light up there is red, so I'm just going to lift my foot, let the car kind of cruise, save on brakes, save on tires, save on fuel. Thank you. I appreciate you. I really do. Hopefully your holiday was good. I'll post a video of the holiday. We had the family over. It's really nice. We still got food. If you guys want to come over, I can fix you a plate of food. But we got food for the next 4 days. Then we could do a YouTube video, do a podcast, stream. I should do that in the kitchen. That would be pretty cool. Get some turkey out. Right, and just talk about driving education.